You know, that one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you've all been well. I am here today with a tutorial. There is some new stuff that I want to show you guys on my channel. So, if you didn't know already, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I am part of the Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list now. So basically what that means is that I get sent products when there's new releases. I get a lot of stuff sent to me now from them, and it's such a blessing, and I'm so thankful. I didn't have a ton of Anastasia stuff before, just like the odd palette here and there, and I've used their brow stuff in the past, but Norvina or Claudia was kind enough to scout me during the PR search that took place online, and she added me to the list, and I'm so grateful. It's been crazy. But yeah, one of the perks of being on a PR list for a big brand like that is when they release new collections or new products, they will send it to influencers or people like myself that can review them or create content with them and create some buzz around new stuff. So one of the newest things that I'm sure you've seen if you use Instagram and follow any like sort of beauty people, they recently did an eyeshadow palette with a very famous drag queen. Her name is Miss Alyssa Edwards, the famous tongue pop queen. So she has an eyeshadow palette that is amazing, and I have done a look with it on my Instagram already, but I wanted to do like an actual tutorial or something, maybe like a little bit more wearable, because it was like kind of more out there. But it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette, let me just say that. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I have going on. I already have my base on and my brows done, but it's just so that we can focus on eyes today, and my base always tends to be like the same kind of thing. So let me just get on with it. I want to show you the PR box because it's really cool. So it's this big, huge box. It has her signature right there. It's got like the winking eyes. Her eyelashes are in glitter, so it's so pretty. And then you open it up, and it's loud. She is loud. So pink, very Elle Woods, very Alyssa Edwards. It's so beautiful, but this is the palette down here. There's a fan and a mirror. Both are so beautiful. So let me just take these out here. This is huge. It says Beast on it, which I think is so cute. And it's in like this pink, shiny fabric. Sensible for drying my setting spray, or just, you know, cooling off. The other thing in there is the mirror, and it's so beautiful. Pink as well, and it says Beast on the back. And then on the front, there's like little lips, and yeah, it's just really pretty. So I'm gonna do my makeup in this. Let me show you the palette as well, because it's stunning. So this is the eyeshadow palette here. Yeah, there's the colors inside. I have used this before, like I said, but really bright. And a good assortment of colors. Like, there was like probably a good 2 years there where every popular eyeshadow palette was like warm browns. Like some kind of variation of like a warm smoky eye palette. Right now what I've been seeing a lot of is like colorful eyeshadow palettes, and actually really I'm here for it because I love colorful eyeshadow. So it's really great. I'm really pleased about it. The pigment in these is great. There's a lot of kickback in the pan, but that's like pretty standard for something that's super pigmented. So yeah, that's it there. And on the back, it has her signature, and it says Always and Forever Alyssa Edwards with her little signature there. So cute, so adorable. The other thing that was released at the same time as this collection is the eye primer, and this is the Anastasia eye primer here. I don't know if I'm fully sold on it. It's really white, like really white, and I'm not very dark, but it is like, makes my eyelids like white, which is good for making colorful eyeshadow stand out, and I think the basis of this collection is quite draggy, so like for that reason this makes sense. But I would love to see this in a few more colors. I do have a couple of the other eyeshadow bases that are really popular online right now. The P. Louise ones, I have those, and there's one that's pretty much exactly my skin color, so I use that one a lot. But this one I'm gonna use for the purpose of the review for today's video because they kind of go together. If you wanna see kind of what I come up with, please keep on watching. Also, while you're here, please subscribe to my channel. I would like to grow this platform. There's a notification bell as well. If you click that, you can turn notifications on for when I upload a new video. And if you don't already, please do visit my Instagram page and give it a follow. It's the Brooks Brother, so THE_Brooks Brother. And I'm also on Twitter at the Brooks Brother as well. So let me know, come say hi. And yeah, I'm just gonna get on with it because I talk too much and I just wanna get into the video. So that's what we're gonna do. Bye. The first thing I'm gonna do is just get some of that primer onto my lids. And you can see it's really light, but I'm gonna do a purpley, bluey, pinky, smoky eye. Also, before I go any further, I'm gonna take some loose powder. This is the Fenty Beauty Banana, and I'm just gonna put that on my under eyes because I know, just with like these kind of colors, and I know I've used the eyeshadow palette before, I know there's a bit of fallout, and because my under eye and foundation is already done, I don't want to be having blue on my under eye. So the first color I'm gonna take is the yellow. It's called Brick Road. This one here. And to maintain pigment, I always press the color on first where I want it, and then blend it, and just lightly buff out the edge. Just kind of like that. Next, I want to take the bright pink in here. That one's called Texas Made. I'm gonna overlap the yellow and the pink there. And I'm keeping it really nice and high up as well, just so that with my eye shape, I feel like it can get a bit lost if I don't bring it really high up into like right underneath my brow. So moving on to the next color now, I want to use this one. It's called Unicorn Tribe. And with this one, I'm bringing it a little bit further down too. These colors are just so pretty. I think this color, Unicorn Tribe, is probably my favorite one in the palette. It's just like the perfect purpley pink. And then I'm just gonna take like a little skinny blending brush and just, again, try and work the pink and purple together. But I don't want to bring it up any higher because my brow bone is quite, like my eyebrows are quite low as it is. Just blend that tiny little sweet spot right here. Oh, by the way, this is a MAC 221 brush as well that I'm using to do this little small blending bit. And last, I'm gonna do this dark bluey purple here. It's called Believe. And I'm gonna do that on the outer corner here. And that's what I'm gonna kind of like wing out. So, yeah, I mean, I think this eyeshadow palette's really good. I think the quality of the shadows is great. As per usual though with Anastasia, like they're never, in my experience, I've never really had like poor quality eyeshadows from them. I just feel like they're consistent, and with this collection, I feel like they made it a little bit different than like other stuff that's on the market right now, which is nice. I find this dark purple a little bit difficult to blend because I'm trying to like wing it out a bit. A lot. So I was putting it down with the pencil brush like here, and then I made a line, and now I'm trying to blend that spot here. It's a little bit tricky. So I'm using Unicorn Tribe, and I think I'm gonna use a little bit of Texas Made as well to help me blend that out. Okay, so you know that thing that kind of happens sometimes when you use an eyeshadow on a base and it like darkens around certain spots and then it's a little bit hard to blend? That kind of happened with the dark purple in here, Believe. So just, I would recommend doing colors like the purple that are lighter, build up a lot of color with that first, and then just do a little bit of the darker color so that it doesn't grab and then you can't blend around it. That's what I would say. But I managed to get like the shape that I want, and it still looks purple. Like it didn't go like super dark. And I'm gonna put something on the lid anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, that's kind of the effect that I want. Okay, so I have that shape on both eyes now. And that's just the purple. Believe, and then I blended it out with the pink, and so it's Believe on the outer corner, Texas Made in the crease, and Unicorn Tribe. Started to blend them all together. So now I want to do DDG. I'm gonna use that to put all over my lid. And I'm pretty sure DDG stands for Drop Dead Gorgeous. I don't get cute, bitch. I get Drop Dead Gorgeous. I'm gonna take that on a flat brush. And I want that on my whole eyelid. Okay, well with the brush it doesn't really look that good. So I'm gonna use my finger. I actually haven't used this color yet. I'm not gonna lie, it's not really my favorite. I thought it was gonna be more pigmented. It's a bit more on the sheer, like, topper sort of side. Because I have used this shimmery fuchsia called Beyond. And that was like completely opaque. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now I just need something to like bridge the gap between this purple and the yellow because that's like too stark. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna use that shimmery pink called Beyond because I think that that will do the job. As I said, I'm gonna go to that color here. That's called Beyond. And I'm going to just put that right here. Right in between the yellow and the purple. Just so that there's something shimmery and warm between the two. Oh wow. Okay, that's so pretty. So yeah, this is where we are. This is the upper lash. This is the upper lid. So what I'm gonna do is put some lashes on. My Tatti lashes, these are the style TL3s. So I'm gonna pop these on and then we can do my lower lash line. And yeah, so I'll see you in a second. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Don't make this shit on me. Like a all this shit talking. FaceTime me, my baby, tonight. Like a all this shit talking. FaceTime me, my baby, tonight. I'm gonna give you all of my love. I'm gonna put it on. I said, ooh, you a hell of a drug. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So lashes are on. Now this needs to be sorted out because I'm starting to get oily because I've had foundation on for a bit. And there's solid under my eyes, so let's sort that out. I know that there was already powder there, so I don't need to go crazy, but if you're getting fallout and there's a bit of powder on your brush that you wipe away with, it will like grab the eyeshadow with the powder and just... And for my lower lash line, I don't know if I want it to be purple or pink or blue. I think I'm gonna keep it purple. I'm gonna go to Unicorn Tribe. Whenever I do like a winged out eyeshadow look, this is where I make it look like a wing out there. Because once you connect the lower lash line to the eyeshadow that's been pulled out, that's when it starts to look like more intentional. I don't know, that's what I feel like seals the deal for me. I put some mascara on my lower lash line, finished up my smoky little wing bit. I'm just gonna put some highlighter on and a lip on and we're good to go. I'm gonna do a little bit of Fix Plus. This is the matte one. Gold Deposit highlighter on from MAC. I'm gonna take a highlighter from MAC. This one's called Snow Flushed. This is from Christmas this year. You can't get it anymore, but it's like a pinky goldy color. And now I'm just gonna keep the lip like really simple and nude. This is a Morphe lip liner that I've been using a lot lately. It's called Sweet Tea. It's a little bit lighter than Cork, which is like my normal MAC lip liner that I use. And it's just nicer because it's kind of like a good defining color for my lip. But it's still brown, but it's not too dark. It is still noticeable. Definite fave of mine. That's it, that's the tweet. No, that's the brown lip liner that I'm always wearing. I'm just gonna put a bit of glossbomb over top. This is the white one, it's called Diamond Milk. Once you put it on and like rub your lips together, it actually just looks like a sparkly clear, which is really pretty. I'm just gonna pop that over top. I swear to you, these are my favorite lip glosses that have ever been made. Like, brown one, the white one, the pink one, all of them are so perfect. The texture is perfect, the shine, the way they feel. They don't clump, they don't get all nasty, they smell amazing, they taste good. It's just the whole package deal. Anyway, that's it. That's my completed look. I think this is a great eyeshadow palette if you like color and you like drama and you need something else in your eyeshadow collection that's like not the same as, you know, all those other eyeshadow palettes I was talking about. This is a great palette, and once it's gone, it's gone. We've all been there before where you want something and then you don't get it, but I say just get it. It's amazing. It's good value. Great eyeshadow quality, comes with a brush, mirror, all that, so we love it. As far as the primer goes, I think it's also really good. I would say maybe wait until more colors come out if they are planning on doing that. Take from that what you will. An eyeshadow base is an eyeshadow base. I also always use concealer. That's another thing that I find always does the job too. So nothing really super amazing to say about this. The eyeshadow looks great. As far as the eyeshadows go, I definitely give this an A+. Amazing quality, great color variety. So that's that on that. I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial. I hope you liked the way the look turned out. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up on the video, share it, subscribe, turn on the notifications, get the bell going so you know when I post new content. And please, while you're at it, give me a follow on Instagram. It's at the Brooks Brother. And on Twitter, it's the same thing, at the Brooks Brother. So I will link all my information in the description box down below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.